Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eve here. Today I am gonna go through the purchases that I've made from Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. They were happening in March, I'm sorry, and I believe it ended beginning of April. So I have done some damage. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over just the skincare purchases, and then I do have another box that I settled off right there that has my makeup items that I picked up, and then I have another box right here that has some of the hair care items. But I will be doing most probably two different parts of it because somehow my camera gets overheated in about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to just cover some of these products and show you what I got under 20 minutes. So that's a challenge. If you guys are new here, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, if you enjoy it. And without any further ado, let's get to my skincare haul. Okay, so first I am just gonna tell you that I am not gonna go into very deep details into these. Some items are actually repurchases, and I'm gonna try to just give you a roundup of what these items are first, and then I am thinking to do a follow-up on my hauls and how these products worked out for me and things like that. So if you've tried any of these items, please do share in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. But let's get started from this corner. And oh, actually, before we start, I wanted to show you that I did a little bit more of an organization of my beauty room, and I picked up this cute little boxes that have like the cover like this, and I got two large sizes and then two a little bit smaller sizes where I can organize all my hauls or like a new try products or to be tried products. So I thought it would be a great idea. So when all the boxes came from Ulta, I just separated them in these boxes, so it's just easier for me to focus on certain categories of products. So let's start from this corner, and these are the under eye patches, and you guys know I just can't shut up talking about this because I've literally shared them on my social media, here on my YouTube and on my blog. So I love these. I repurchase them over and over and over. I constantly have them on stock. Like if I know that I have few left, I just go and buy more. And I obviously buy them from Ulta. I think most of these items are actually from Ulta, if not everything. I think everything came from Ulta. Okay, let's just establish this. And so I got two of these because I think they were buy one, get one half off. So I purchased two of the green tea ones. And I also got the 2 packs of the collagen ones that I use at the nighttime, and the green teas I use in the morning for puffy eyes. So this corner right here, I kind of put all the serums or treatments rather. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. This is by number 7. This is retinol complex serum, and it's 1.5% of retinol. I have tried this already, and I really like it. This is just probably one of the best retinols I've ever tried in my life. I have been using retinols probably in the past maybe 4 years or so, and I can easily say that I've seen immediate results with this. Literally overnight, my skin looked completely different. And I will be talking about this product definitely in my upcoming videos because this product is fantastic. Then I also picked up this product from number 7. This is a eye serum, and I also already tried it because I actually was running out of my eye cream, so I needed a new one, so I ended up picking this one up. And I also love it. I've been using it probably for about over a week now, and I really love how gentle it is, and it makes my skin really hydrated, which is basically all I need at the moment. So then I went ahead and I picked up this vitamin C serum by Med Hippie. This is a repurchase for me. I've used this, I don't know, many times. This is probably my third container. Oh, by the way, these are the swatches from lip liners that I was just playing around earlier, so disregard please because these don't come off. Yeah, so like I mentioned, I've already repurchased and used up probably 2 bottles already, and this is my 3rd one. I really like it. Yes, I had to move a little bit because my camera died. It didn't get overheated, but it died. Okay, so we're back on track. So we were talking about this cleansing oil, and you guys know that I have been doing double cleansing routine for probably about 2 years now, and I always mention it, and I always say like how much it changed my skin and make it just so much more healthier. And I just always wanted to try this brand. So far it's still sealed, as you can see, and I will be trying it soon, and I will definitely do a follow-up on this. So here in this other corner, what else we have? Let's just stick to all the cleansers. So I also picked up cleansing balm from Vanilla Company, or Vanilla Co. I'm not sure what the proper way to say it as well, so I'm not really familiar with this brand. This is the first item that I've ever tried from here. I have already filmed TikTok. Yes, I also got a TikTok account. I only have a few posts there, and I will link it down for you below if you wanted to check it out. But I just did like a few posts in there, and I think it's actually a really fun platform. But I did film it on TikTok, but then it is reposted to my Instagram. And if you wanted to check it out there, how I do my double cleansing routine at the moment using this cleanser, I actually really liked it. It's really good quality. When I do my follow-up update on my haul, I will talk about this product a little bit more. At the moment, all I'm just going to say is yes, it is really, really good. So this is also the skin patches or under eye patches from Skin Iceland. This is a repurchase for me. Whenever I get a good opportunity to repurchase them for a better deal than what they're normally priced, I do pick them up because these are really, really good. I see the difference. They're probably by far the largest or like the longest patches that I've tried. Usually like more affordable brands, they come in shorter sizes that just fit right under eye. So this one actually extends so much longer, like outside of your eye. So I really like them. So I just went ahead and repurchased them. I also picked up the Acne Spot Dots for, this is the brand Peach Slices. Never really tried anything from them before. I've talked about these Acne Spot Dots on my channel and on my Instagram stories. I told you guys that I always use them. Just I do not use like salicylic acid ones. I always make sure that the main ingredient is hydrocolloid, so they do work for me. I always have them on hand. So yeah, and I thought these were on promotion, so I decided to pick this packet up and to try if I like this brand or not. Then I also got this one. It was not from Ulta. I think I got it from Amazon, and it came in a pack of 6, I would want to say. They were masks. This is the brand Who. I guess that's how you say it. And this is Blemish mask that has tea tree oil in it. I know that tea tree oil is natural antiseptic, and it does help with any type of inflammations that you have going on your skin. It soothes irritated skin, and it does help with breakouts if you have any like popping up and stuff. So I really thought that would be a cool idea to try a sheet mask like that. I haven't tested it yet. I know I have a few of them. So this also came with acne dots and with hydrocolloid as a main ingredient. So I don't have them here in this bag. I probably misplaced them somewhere, but I will be trying those as well, and will let you guys know how it works out later. And here I have 2 different masks. So this one is called I'm Rice. It's a clarifying blemish mask by Moly. This is a K-beauty brand as well. I haven't really tried anything from this brand to my knowledge. I have not tried it yet. I will be talking about it later in more details when I test it. Hey guys, a few more items left. I wanted to also show you this mask. This is also an acne and blemish mask. It's 5% sulfur as a main ingredient, and I always like to have something like this handy. I would always use a one with sulfur from Origins, and that one has been my favorite. This one is from Urban Skin RX, and I am very curious to try this. I will let you know how this works out for me. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments below. But I do like to use this sometimes in the time of the month when I start seeing some blemishes popping through, or as a preventative measure, at least like maybe once in 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm very curious if this one is better than my Origin one. Then here I also went ahead and picked up these razors by Gigi brand. So there was 2 of the larger ones and then 2 of the shorter ones. They're identical, but they're just slightly shorter, and they're meant to be in the areas like around your brows, so you get a little bit more precision. However, I do currently have similar ones. They're a larger size, but they're from Revlon, and they come in a set of 2, and I just needed the replacement for my Revlon ones, so I saw these ones being on promotion, and I got them. I don't think this item was a part of 21 Days of Beauty. I think it was the event, their spring sale event, right after 21 Days of Beauty event finished. So I got these, and I think they were either 30 or 50% off. So I thought it was a really good deal. They last me for some time. So I do shave my peach fuzz probably about once a month or so. So this lasts me for some time. So, but I never tried the smaller size. I'm just curious how that's gonna work, but I really do like that larger size for shaving. Okay, so here is the last section, and we're gonna go through this pretty quickly. These are all lotions with SPF in them, and I have to tell you that this little guy here from Olay, it has SPF 30, and it's also good for sensitive skin. I've already used this, I think last year or a year before that, so I already tested this product before, and it's really, really nice. It's a very like lotion consistency, very like nice thin consistency. Nice and hydrating. It has vitamin E and aloe in it, and obviously, you know, your minimum of SPF 30, which is great. And I really like very simple packaging. There's the nozzle twists like left and right. That's how you basically close it or open it. And yeah, I really like this lotion, so I went ahead and repurchased it. And I also got one from La Roche-Posay. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Haven't tested it yet. And then this one is a smaller size. It's in the deluxe size, at number 7, Lift and Luminate Triple Action Day Cream with SPF 30. Also heard really good things about this, but I decided to pick it up in a trial size just to test it. And I will give you guys an update. I'm really, really curious about this, because you remember the powder that I've been using for setting my under eyes? It's kind of like the same line, because it's called Lift and Luminate, so I'm really excited about this. I don't want to set my expectations too high. And then again, this is the same little guy that came, I think, as a gift for purchase. So it's the same like this large La Roche-Posay, but just in the mini size. And then the last one, Moisturizer with SPF 30 by Urban Skin RX. Haven't opened it yet, haven't tested it. This product had also good reviews. So the reason why I picked up this many, because Ulta had this spring event going on, and most of these items were anywhere from like 30 to 50% off. So you guys know that I live in Florida, and the sun here is no joke, especially when we going towards like the very warmer months. Now it's getting anywhere up to like 86 degrees at the moment. So yeah, I definitely am not playing with that type of sun. So I want to make sure whenever I have a good opportunity to purchase really good quality products, I stocked up on all these SPFs, and just to make sure it's gonna last me probably till the fall. Yeah, I think I have enough at the moment of all the SPFs. And I hope you guys liked this video. This is basically everything I picked up in the skincare department. I know that was a lot, but these are all the things that I'm basically using on a daily basis. I do not at the moment try to buy skincare just for the heck of it. I know the skincare has a quite shorter shelf life, so I definitely want to make sure everything that is skincare, I don't overstock it. I don't have that intention at all. So these are all the products that I am a constant rotation, that I use pretty much on a daily basis. If not on a daily basis, it's like a weekly, or maybe like twice a week, once a week, or maybe like bi-weekly, that type of thing. So yeah, all these items I use. My camera is still working. It's not overheating or dying. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I picked up as far as the hair care. And this is just what came from Ulta. So there's just few items, and I thought I would just squeeze them in the same video so it would be just easier to go over because there's just literally few things. So this item is actually by L'Oreal. It's that amazing hair rinse that you just use for 8 seconds on your wet hair after you wash them with a shampoo, and it helps you with detangling your hair and helps you with making like that frizz go away, and it is truly so. This is, however, is an orange bottle. I've tried the brown one before because I believe that one got launched first. I did talk about this product, both this orange one and the brown one, in my Instagram stories, like in more details. But I have tried this one already because as you can see, the product is not there anymore. So this is really good. It also works well, but I think I kind of like the brown one better. I don't know what the difference is. It didn't look into ingredients just yet in depth. However, I feel like I like the brown one better, like the effect that it does on my skin. Not on my skin, on my hair, excuse me. And I also wanted to mention that the liquid is completely clear. The color of the bottle has nothing to do with like the color, if it's like for brown hair or for blonde hair. It's nothing like that. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated once I use it a little bit more. So then I have this little sample. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. It's by the brand Grow Gorgeous. It's intense thickening hair and scalp mask. So we will get to see what the effect of it will be on my really dry hair. I think my hair is dry, you guys. I really think that that's why where my frizz is coming from, because I feel like my hair is just turned into being drier than they used to be. I don't know, maybe it's age, maybe it's like the highlights that I do, but that's kind of what I noticed. I've been running through masks like crazy recently, especially after I moved here to Florida. I did talk about it on my other videos and on my stories on Instagram. So yeah, I'm just going through masks like crazy. This is another mask by the brand Art Naturals. Avocado oil hair mask. Says it's gonna restore, repair, and moisturize, and it's specifically for dry hair. So I've never tried anything from this brand before. I was very much surprised, not in a good way, that this is such a small container, because this mask was almost, I would want to say it was like $17 on sale, something like that. And I thought it was pretty expensive for just such a small size. And I also got a second one with argan oil. And this one is for all hair types. This is for adding shine, texture, and hydration. So we will see which one I like better. But I do tend to see that my hair likes hair masks that obviously has like oils in them, or like natural oils. So we'll see. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. So this is a big daddy right here. So I picked up the hair mask right here. This is a therapy session hair mask. And it says powered by plant protein plus argan oil. It's a deep conditioning mask, and this is 16.9 fluid ounces, you guys, and this was so affordable. And in general, this is a really good brand so far. I've tried several products from them. I tried the dry shampoo, I tried the texturizing shampoo, excuse me. And I like all those things. They just work, easy to use, price is friendly, and I have large hopes for this. And I also picked up the Smoothie leave-in cream from the same brand, and I like to let my hair air dry from time to time so I don't blow dry and do extra heat on it. So whenever I let my hair air dry, I still like to put something moisturizing and hydrating on them. It says it's just smoothest, fights frizz and hydrates. This is literally exactly what I would need from the product when I let my hair naturally dry. And I've so far been loving this brand's product, so I thought I would try something else, and it was obviously a good opportunity with a promotion, so I went for it. So hopefully this will not disappoint. And this is everything I have for my hair purchases, and I hope you liked it. If you tried anything, let me know. If you tried any of these brands before, let me know how it worked out for you. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I would really like you to consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!